I don't even use my phone. You can ask anyone who actually knows me in real life. I'm not on my phone ever because number one, people don't even message me. It's rare that people message me.
That girl having phone plugged in for the whole night. I said, you know, it was fun, man. You know, man, get up and I go for your phone. I say, the weirdest girl me ever meet because I don't see no girl out there when they have their phone and they pillowcase asleep with it.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river.
I clean so like they live in a bleach bucket.
If people wonder why my teeth are so white, here's how they're white. I use baby wipes.
Stop it, damn baby wipes.
Just joking. You have to just brush your teeth 2 times a day.
Wow, so this is me then.
And whiten them.
When I brush my teeth.
I'm just joking, I whiten them. I wouldn't lie about that. I whiten my teeth. My teeth used to be like orange. One day my sister came up to me, one of my sisters she came up to me and she was like, your teeth are so, she was like, orange. She didn't say yellow, and I was like, say word. I went to the mirror and I looked and they were actually like they were stained orange. So that's the same time I changed my life. And I started whitening my teeth, and my teeth is probably the most complimented thing on me after my hair.
Nice and white, man.
I get compliments minimum once a day. Small brick. A company that I don't recommend people using anymore.
So I can use it.
Because supposedly people are not getting their orders anymore when people pay, so I don't even want to recommend them. So if you guys don't like anything about yourself, or if people tell you things, take it into consideration. What if I got mad and started cussing off my sister because my teeth were orange? Right now I still have the orange teeth then because I'm just too stubborn. You have to take people's stuff into consideration. When she told me, the fastest thing, I ran up to the mirror and looked, and then I ordered a teeth whitening. I went on YouTube, did my research. This is when I was in high school, and watched people's reviews of teeth whitening companies, and I bought the cheapest one, and then my teeth got white. Trust me.
Constructive.
Yeah.
My teeth don't get brown up, you know. And I know from I come to Canada, my teeth them is so white. You see when I there in Jamaica, my skin well dark. Yeah. Only thing you could have seen in the darkness are my teeth. But then get dark up because I come to Canada and start drink up the whole heap of coffee. A long time people must see a vlog from me. You just see a vlog, and that one was Jamir's birthday party, and me and my brother them go skiing. Now you see beside me with this Annesha Adams, YouTube, Up Move, Heel Nails, reviews and vlogs. You know the thing. What else may I miss out on my channel? Everything Jamaica, lifestyle and hack. See that? Yeah. She come to Canada visit for a week. I wouldn't have any seatbelt. Police I give her a ticket, no me. Never have a seatbelt, right here.
Yeah, this is crazy.
So yeah, she there in Canada for a week. I mean, what see you there for a week and I want to vlog nothing. But I don't know, just January not give me no mood.
It took Adrian 3 weeks just to edit one video. That's embarrassing.
No, me just be all over the place. All over. It take me about 3 days to edit. Not even 3 days. A week to edit the video. Yeah. I'm all over the place, and then me not have some of the clip, then me not have a bag of thing. So yeah.
Did they put? Are you going to the
belt? Yeah, man. We are going patty shop. The last time I go in there, nice little clean place. But
not for us, it's for Lisa. She wants to do spicy patties.
Yeah, she love them sitting there. I mean, make the best patty, but she said my process too long.
I was about to say that. I was like, with you can probably get patties once a year from you because it probably takes just so long to do.
No, she said the process too long. I can't beat, I can't make it do and put up. I say do the hardest part and then do it take a little while. But she not into that something there, you know.
That's what you want to say. That's a nice hat, like the quality of it.
That's thanks. That's why I buy that one where. Cause I know sometimes I want them fur easy if it's stuck on them.
Okay, I don't know about those.
Cotton hat them man. Fur when fur go on there, I this thing to clean off. So this one kind of silky.
Silky, yeah.
So the fur don't stick.
It's like one of the ones that the athletes wear.
Yeah.
That type of material. I like it.
I champs me buy it.
Oh, it makes sense. Yeah. I was saying in my vlog that I forgot how affordable Canada is compared to Jamaica, because when I came back down here, everything was like low pricing, good pricing compared to Jamaica. And I forgot about that because I'm so used to spending so much money in Jamaica for like things that are not worth that price. Like you're gonna spend like $30 for one pot in Jamaica, like a small like frying pot, and then in Canada you can get a whole set for that price, or you can get like a good quality one pot. Yeah, so I don't know, I was just freaking out. And then when I was on the plane and stuff, and I came down, I felt like I forgot how to do certain things.
You know,
and I didn't even want to come, but I had to come. But
that's I think nice to live in Jamaica. Things are cheap and money more in terms of here, but the weather right now, winter time, look what I do. Tree them dry up. You know what I say? The weather just cool. It damp your mood. Just like the season, I say your mood fluctuate. So in the winter, it's like you don't have that vibe there, because you don't feel the sun penetrate your skin and get that vitamin and that energy there. Well, at least in me, they call it winter blues, you know?
Yeah, SAD, seasonal sadness.
Yo, I think
seasonal. It's called SAD, but it's called seasonal something depression.
I feel so that thing reached me more when I winter time, I just feel different.
And you just don't want to even go
fight.
outside.
You don't want to do nothing.
I always looked at when I used to be down here all the time, like during winter, I always said, okay, I'm gonna try and take photos. Take photos. I can't do it, and I always like admire people who always had content during the winter time, because I'm like, I don't know how you did it, because for me it's so even hard to just process like, oh my god, it's so cold outside, and now I have to go outside, take pictures, and it's freezing cold. Or you just don't even want to leave your house. Like even me going to one place, warm place, to the next place, I can't do it because I'm just like, it's so cold to do it. I think I just.
You know how long it take me if you go shopping right now?
Why?
Cause me just now come out of the house. I have food in, but me just need to top up on things to the gym. Cause me buy separate food from what Annesha them buy. I have to buy some different things for myself for the gym. When I go see that too, I look jape up, man. I got a Costco. Yeah, I got a Costco right now. After I go pick up my patty, cause the rest of the store I lock early.
This girl we started just staring at us. No one's recording.
Me like you. Look back in the year when they stare at me.
Why are you staring?
Man, no, me a different type of you. Like if me drive up on somebody and they must steer me down, me just look right back in the air and feel uncomfortable.
Yeah. You can't do that in Jamaica, because when I do that to people in Jamaica, they're still staring at me. And we're having like a stare off, and I'm just like, you're annoying, and I walk off.
But
I'm like, you're weird. No, but they start staring at me first, and then I catch them staring at me because they glimpse over, right?
Yeah.
And then I'm just like,
they not take up their eye. I guess I have that trait there too, because since a girl pull up on me and she start look on me, if me look over upon him, I not stop looking at him, I forgot to look, and I get uncomfortable.
It's weird.
I went somebody bad driving. Somebody have a bad drive here, and then they drive up to them to see who bad drive and who bad drive.
They're like, dude, and you guys start arguing with each other.
It tastes like patty. Then
it tastes like a pastry, like with sugar in it. It tastes like they put sugar in the dough.
Yeah, they're sweet. Sugar for going in the dough, but probably they put too much.
Oh yeah, clearly. I didn't even know that, but it doesn't taste like the sugar in Jamaica.
If you taste it, that means you have too much. Because if it be more of a savory thing, and if you have tasty, that means
there's like a pastry that you would go to like a cake shop and buy one of these. That's how it tastes like.
Listen to me so exposed to the juicy patties and the mothers, I have to just take them and then taste. They taste okay.
Yeah, they don't taste like,
they used to know. But when you go to Jamaica, you can take a bite of a juicy. Enough people say mothers are tasty, but a juicy patty, bro. I don't see no other patty where you taste better than a patty in Jamaica, right?
They're so good. Tasty's patty tastes so soft, and it's flavorless. It doesn't have flavor like juicy beef. It's like juicy beef seasons their meat, and Tasty's doesn't. I know that's offensive, but just how I feel.
They're more firm for juicy patty. Then if it's like that soft, they feel them flake firm. Nice big flakes.
It's okay though. That's the whole point of running a business. You need competition. So all you guys, I need you guys to follow me.
I should take nice photos. I'm gonna show you a little slideshow of her feed. Man, it's going like a 10-second of her feed right in the center. So look on her feed there. I think them nice and clean.
I mean, I think they're okay. I've seen nicer
people are gonna ask me why I'm not follow you. I'm not follow nobody on Instagram.
You're not following me?
I don't follow nobody on Instagram.
Why?
Because I don't go on Instagram.
Yeah, that's weird. For me, I only go on Instagram to post and I'm not on it. I don't even use my phone. You can ask anyone who actually knows me in real life. I'm not on my phone ever because number one, people don't even message me. It's rare that people message me.
Girl having phone plugged in for the whole night. I said, you know, it was fun, man. You know, man, get up and I go for your phone. I see the weirdest girl me ever meet because I don't see no girl out there when they have their phone and they pillowcase asleep with it.
This man said pillowcase.
That serious girl I'm sleeping with their phone.
Wait, are you going to
Costco? But you, me don't see you touch phone like that.
No, I don't really. Because what am I going to do? Waste my time? That just turn here because you passed the entrance anyways. But you can turn on this one. And you're brave for doing that.
Look back, I'm ready.
Wait, let me tell you guys. You have to look at it like this. You're really going to spend 2-3 hours scrolling on Instagram every day. And I'm not talking about your leisure time because after like a long day, I like lying down watching YouTube videos. And that's all I do. After when I'm done, I'm going to come home, I bathe, I eat, and I lie down watching YouTube videos. I'm not talking about that time, but like throughout the day, I'm going to spend all this time scrolling on my phone when you can use that free time to try and build your brand, build your business, build whatever you're doing. Build yourself at the gym. I don't know. You can use that time to do much more better things instead of scrolling, watching people's lives.
And that's why.
So that's why I just broke myself to do that. So the only time I'm on Instagram is to post, respond back to people's comments. When people message me, I respond to people's messages, and then that's it.
That's I saw. You see, me, you can more control yourself. With me, with Instagram now, I never know how to really go up on there and not be on there for 2-3 hours. Because I have my close friend them on there. Each time I go up on it, somebody will comment and I respond to my friend them. So I say, you know what? After the first 2 when I have deleted, I say, I not follow nobody. Because when I follow people, I always end up I go through their feed and they like sitting there.
It's not only that. Some people are just really popular. Like I'm not popular like some people. Where like they're just always on my phone. Like I have a sister, Penny Learning Center. She's just on her phone all the time. Like morning, night, noon, evening. When she, I don't know, like I guess some people are popular in the sense that so much people are always texting them and calling them. Yeah. That's not what me. No one texts me, no one calls me, and if it is, it's like my mom or someone if I'm supposed to go somewhere with someone. And I prefer my personalities. I prefer hanging out with you in person instead of texting and calling. It just takes too much time out of me to hold a whole conversation texting. You're gonna be on your phone checking it every 2 seconds. And another reason why I'm so like I broke myself into doing this is like when I was in university, I used to actually pay attention in lectures and I didn't used to go on my phone. And when I used to work retail, yes, perfect. When I used to work retail jobs, we can't be on our phone for all 8-9 hours, so it just got used to me. Like you know how when you work at jobs, you can't be on your phone for like the whole 8-9 hours, 12 hours. So bad for that. So I just got used to it.
Every break, I could have take a run, guy, but I go check my phone.
Why? A lot of people do that, you know.
So bad feet,
I have friends who do that all the time.
You're so bad fight. That's how I'm telling you, I'm a fat man.
She didn't come in. She just went to fix her car.
That man, see.
Weirdo.
You're so bad for that, Bridget. Remember first time I was going to the fridge, she got to take out, sit me there on my phone and check my messages. I say, what?
Why?
And it kind of consume you.
When people message you a lot, is it that?
Yeah, but then
people don't message me.
I'm from easy after that. Nobody message me again. Because sometimes, you know, they text me and say, you're hard to get someone. Because I can't manage
right there.
3-4 somebody call me and we're on the phone. We're on the phone for half an hour each. You know how much time that gone? So sometimes I call me, you know what I do with my phone now? My phone never dip on silent. Jesus,
where's my water? I'm so dehydrated.
Don't go there, Jerks. Don't go there.
They are.
Hey, you not go there. You know, see, you gone left it. Yeah, man, me nobody go pump. I'm back in that serious. You don't think I'm
this yours has been in here for so long.
You know, family.
And I'm not drinking it either.
You know,
because I don't know whose mouth went on it.
Let me see it in there for about 3 days, you know.
Maybe I can take a picture outside beside those brown things. But it's kind of cool. We can wait till we go to the mall to take pictures in the mall.
Yo, I love walk up. I don't know what to do with this, huh?
I'm not even done waking up myself.
Oh, sorry. I tell him rather me tell you that somebody see and tell you. You know, feel so. But yeah, watch out. Yeah. Anytime I go up on the road and I have one of the island soda, yeah. Me like fi walk up and know what to do.
Just finish
like
it before going into no, just finish
me
it.
Like walking
You're so embarrassed. No, you just
they walk up to me and say, what is that? I don't want attention. Me just like provoke people more. Watch out.
No. It's
You
so
see,
embarrassing. No, man, you're embarrassing.
It's your body at the pump. Oh my god.
Yeah, just drink it.
No.
If I knew you were like that, I would have told you not to buy that, man.
So am I gonna rush and drink it?
Just leave it in the car.
No, I think I'm gonna lose the fizz.
No, it's not, agent. You guys comment down below. Isn't that just so embarrassing?
That's not embarrassing, bro. What is embarrassing about that?
For?
Good. I'm gonna feel like I go flat. I'm gonna want to. What am I gonna waste my juice because of people?
Bud with his beer, and then people
start
laughing.
Talk regardless if you do something.
No, man. Yes.
I clean the bean out.
Dummy is on your face. That's what's on your face.
Mommy.
I'm singing here. Just go by yourself.
Come on, my girl. You sound like your sister right now. Come, boy, it's so embarrassing. You a fat person that talk about people embarrassing. Where you don't normally think they're sitting there. Come.
I won't walk. You're walking around with a beer bottle, and
it's not a beer bottle. It's a soda.
I mean,
soda.
I said that wrong. I know it's not, but I never thought of that until you brought it up. Like if you didn't bring that up, I wouldn't care for you walking around with it.
Come in, Annesha Adams.
Hi everyone. Now we're in Costco, and he still has a bottle in his hand because it's embarrassing. We're gonna buy something. It's kind of cold out in here.
Executive, you see that? Yeah, black card. Yeah.
Hey,
how can you explain Costco to people?
It's like a wholesale club, so you can buy things. It's like in Jamaica where you can go to a wholesale store. No, Mega Mart's not wholesale.
Mega Mart have everything.
It's not wholesale though.
You serious?
Mega Mart's like a what? Like a no frills or something. You just go there and shop regular.
It's serious, and they have like food in food.
No, but this is wholesale. Like you can buy things by the bulk. That's why people like coming here because you can buy. You know, you go to the Chinese supermarkets. No, I'm not. I'm gonna add this to mine. You know, you can go into the Chinese supermarkets and buy bulk wholesale. That's what Costco is in Canada. So basically, they got the Chinese people.
You get appliances. You get everything. Everything for your home you get in here. So normally, when Alyssa go and shop, Alyssa is a Walmart person. Me is a Costco person because I buy in a lot of bulk for me eating, you know. There's enough people go why me find that, but I buy in a lot of bulk for my consumption.
I'm looking at these boots here because I was telling him I want to wear these with some short shorts in Jamaica with my butty cheeks and hanging out.
Say that again, boy, butty cheeks?
My butty cheeks and hanging out. I was asking if red sticker is a sale price. It's 104. That's not a sale though.
So $4 off basically or $5 no. 50% off. No, see?
Yeah,
ask them, show them what they want and find out.
Excuse for a second. You look like someone's mom, bro.
You got bro?
Someone's mother.
So yeah, right now we're in the Ashore Mart. I already went shopping to get my groceries. That video will be available on my cooking channel. Just went to they call that place there. My place will just go again Costco. So now me and Annesha with the outer. She go get her phone fixed up. And what else I gonna do? She go buy for some matey bag. She buy one matey bag. I buy a matey bag to send go give mommy.
I don't know what the beef.
And then
what type of name that is. I guess all the matey that love wear those bags.
Yeah. So matey bag. And what else? Like the hand in the vlog. Yeah. Yo, me go to Scarborough Town Center. I know them too much. You literally walk over there today in the vlog.
Wait, you seen them? You know them?
I don't know them, but I got Scarborough Town Center. I have to put them rush me. I said, can I be in the vlog? Can I be in the vlog? Anyway, I want to go to Toronto. Because up yesterday not really. But she definitely did want it now. You can just walk over there, so?
Huh?
When you see with that camera and they walk over there, so say, hey.
It's nice here,
nice, that's what. Jesus.
Yeah.
My friend, I say, look like you work with Pulse. Jesus. It's been a minute out here doing all of this. I'm going to meet up back with Annesha right now. And I want to just buy. I want to buy for mommy. She wants a bag. And I think, so she wants to get a bag. And peanut butter. Let me see if we can get them stuff to buy. And yeah, I'm going to find twin right now. She not get through all now. See, I don't know, so still not get through yet. Still not get through it, Browning.
Pardon?
Still not get through it, Browning.
No. What?
Darking.
Don't say anything of that.
Slimad. I like Slimmers. Slimmers.
Bought stuff there?
Yeah.
What did you buy? So I came out on a shopping spree.
Yeah. Cause these are stuff from the one. You want a blender for the protein shake then. You buy the protein shake.
Rich.
No, I have to take care of the body, you know.
Rich.
I want to take care of the body. I want to get huge.
No, I don't think so.
I want to get huge, but not huge. And them I get tired now. I go put on the camera. No, not that big. I also want to be 184. Nice size.
I was telling him that if I didn't buy iPhones for the phone quality, the camera quality, I would actually buy this because you can watch YouTube videos on this side and then you can text. So say if you're WhatsApping someone and then you can still be watching your YouTube videos at the same time. This is so, like, I actually will buy this. I would buy this. 10 out of 10.
How much is it though?
I don't know. I really liked it. When I first saw it, I was just like, oh, I would use this phone so much.
Alright. So today, big up yourself, Annesha. Just reach back in and we'll get some stuff at the mall, Costco, the whole works. You see the thing. Me and Annesha Adams say, I'm going to make shit here now. Come here, people, and tell them say I cut.
Bye.
Come on, my girl. Do the thing official. But yeah, that's it. Just reach back in. I'm going to pack out them stuff and then head guard the gym right now. So you know that thing that work with people. No fluff enough. Big up on herself and big up Annesha Adams for passing through. She said she's almost tired so she can't say bye. Everybody tired. We've been out since evening and right now at 8, almost 9 o'clock. I'm going to try to get in at least an hour at the gym and hopefully we can go watch all the movie. You know the damn thing, you know. Big up on yourself, enough love for the love, and thank you for watching. Hit subscribe to the thing and stay up to date. Mad.